Let's talk floor mats. Think about it. These things soak up everything you track, drop, and spill in your vehicle, like your caramel, decaf, frappe, whatever, your drive-through snacks, as well as all the mud, snow, and sand, which get ground into your floor mats, leading to stains, odors, bacteria, and allergens. Not the kind of characters you want riding shotgun. But guess what? There's a better way. All-weather mats from Mopar. That's right, now you can protect your poor defenseless vehicle interior with these total protection bad boys. Here are 3 reasons why all-weather mats from Mopar are all you need. 1. Precision fit. Mopar all-weather mats use factory data to fit better than aftermarket mats, precisely accommodating your vehicle's unique floor pedals and anchor system for optimal performance. 2. Ultimate protection. Mopar all-weather mats are custom-tailored for maximum coverage. This all-new bucket style covers front, back, and sides with deeper channels, more rigid sidewalls, and advanced reservoir systems to better contain spills. And 3. Built to last. Made of a high-density compound, Mopar all-weather mats feature a 33% thicker midsection for extra comfort and durability, and are designed for easy removal and cleanup. Oh, and one more thing. Mopar all-weather mats offer the style you want, including your vehicle's brand logo. So quit carpooling with stains, odors, bacteria, and allergens. Kick them to the curb and keep them out with Mopar all-weather mats. Conveniently located in the Mopar Service Center of your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.